Isro launches its first space research platform, XPoSat. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, started the new year with the successful launch of the XPoSat and 10 other satellites into the space aboard its workhorse PSLV rocket. PSLV C-58, with its payload of 11 satellites, including XPoSat, lifted off from the first launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Sriharikota at 9:10 a.m. About 22 minutes after liftoff, the rocket placed XPoSat in an eastward low-inclination 650-kilometer orbit. XPoSat, also known X-ray Polarimeter Satellite, is India's first dedicated scientific satellite for carrying out research in space-based polarisation measurements of X-ray emissions from celestial objects, including black holes. After injection of XPoSat, the PS-4 stage was restarted twice to reduce the orbit into 350 kilometers circular mode to maintain a stabilized orbital platform for carrying out experiments. The PSLV Orbital Experimental Module 3, POEM-3 experiment was executed, meeting the objective of 10 identified payloads supplied by Isro and InSpace. XPoSat, which uses a modified from the IMS-2 bus platform, carries two scientific instruments, namely POLIX, or Polarimeter Instrument in X-rays, and XSPECT, or X-ray spectroscopy and timing. POLIX is realized by Raman Research Institute and XSPECT by Space Astronomy Group of URSC. According to ISRO, the scientific goals of the mission include measuring polarization of X-rays in the energy band 830 keV, emanating from about 50 potential cosmic sources through Thomson scattering by POLIX payload. Carry out long-term spectral and temporal studies of cosmic X-ray sources in the energy band 0, 815 keV by XSPECT payload. Carry out polarization and spectroscopic measurements of X-ray emissions from cosmic sources by POLIX and XSPECT payloads respectively in the common energy band. Study the distribution of magnetic field, geometric anisotropies, alignment WRT line of sight, nature of accelerator in galactic cosmic X-ray sources by measuring degree of polarization and its angle. Study the structure and geometry of magnetic field of neutron stars, mechanism of X-ray beaming and its relation with luminosity, and mass of accretion rate of powered pulsars. Understanding galactic black hole binary sources in detail. Study and confirm about whether production of X-rays is either from polar cap of neutron star or outer cap of pulsar magnetosphere. And distinguish the synchrotron mechanism as dominant over thermal emission in supernova remnants. ISRO has planned a series of 12 major space missions in 2024, which will take the space agency to new areas, beginning with the current mission to probe the mysteries of cosmic X-rays, following a previous mission to study the secrets of the sun. It is also setting the stage for a human flight into space. Thank you for watching the Domain B channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more business news. Also, read more business news and feature stories on domain-b.com. The link is given in the description below.